while since I had sweet potato leaves. Today, I'll make a dish of sauteed sweet potato leaves with appetizing vegetarian sambal chili paste.
If you also enjoy sweet potato leaves, be sure to save this recipe and try making it yourself. Trust me, it's really simple. Wash the sweet potato leaves, remove the fibrous strings, and tear them into smaller sections. It makes them easier to eat. Today, I used two types of vegetarian sauces for this recipe. One is vegetarian sambal chili paste, and the other is spicy vegetarian dried shrimp sauce. Pour cooking all into the pan, then add a tablespoon of sambal chili paste and stir-fry until fragrant. If you prefer it spicier, you can adjust the amount of sambal chili paste to your taste. For me, 1 tablespoon of the brand I bought gives just the right level of flavor. Add a teaspoon of vegetarian dried shrimp to the pan and stir-fry until aromatic. Personally, I think the brand of vegetarian dried shrimp I use isn't spicy, and it gives the dish a really nice color when cooked. Once the fragrance comes through, add the sweet potato leaves and stir-fry together. This is the time to start seasoning. If it gets too dry, you can add a little water. This way, the stir-fry will come out with some sauce, perfect for mixing with rice. Add mushroom powder according to your preference. Feel free to skip it if you don't like it. It's all up to you. The stir-fried sweet potato leaves are fragrant and ready. Just transfer them to a plate, and they're good to serve. This home-style dish is easy to learn once you know how. You can make it anytime at home. It's simple and convenient. This stir-fried sweet potato leaves with sambal chili is aromatic, spicy, and incredibly appetizing. The savory umami from the vegetarian shrimp paste adds a wonderful depth of flavor. It's a simple, home-style dish that pairs perfectly with rice. Sweet potato leaves are a highly nutritious vegetable, rich in vitamin A and dietary fiber. They are also an excellent source of iron and calcium, which help boost immunity and support bone health. Regular consumption offers significant benefits for overall well-being. Sweet potato leaves are the tender leaves and stems of the sweet potato vine. They are a common leafy green vegetable with a tender texture and a unique, subtly sweet flavor. They are frequently used in home cooking across southern China and Southeast Asia. For women, sweet potato leaves are an excellent source of iron, which helps prevent and improve iron deficiency anemia. They are rich in vitamin A and antioxidants, benefiting skin health and anti-aging. Additionally, their high dietary fiber content supports gut health and helps maintain a healthy physique. For the elderly, the dietary fiber in sweet potato leaves helps promote bowel movement and prevent constipation. Its potassium content and antioxidants are beneficial for maintaining cardiovascular health. The rich calcium and vitamin K also support bone health and help prevent osteoporosis. For men, the vitamin A and antioxidants in sweet potato leaves help maintain eye health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Minerals like magnesium contribute to maintaining normal blood pressure and nervous system function. Their rich dietary fiber also supports digestive health and weight management. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. Everyone should learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.